But this kind God, I never see him before. Because we have a God that will expose you when you do evil. Our God and our God, you know they look person for face, you know they respect anybody, you know they look anybody. Waiting in one do, now waiting in they do, now waiting in go do. So I want us to understand this evening that ngwongwo ejiri mara ha omego gini opiakasiala, and we are not going to relent. Like I said, the what is his name? Abaranze has been talking from sides of his mouth. Listen, I they like men when they talk like men, not they talk like woman. Even a Jofo can come out to social media, prove to you, say, na inside Mazen Nandekalo. That is a man. A Jofo is a man. He betrayed the Nandekalo. He sell Mazen Nandekalo. He come out for social media, tell you how he sell him. He key gentle. He come out, he tell you, whether he tell you say willingly or unwillingly, you know important. The important thing we say he tell you. CHINASA tell you how we know about the rounding up. They know how they plan they sell. That is so whether at the talk our balance. I want you to call names when you are calling. No be these people, these people. Talk to us. We are Biafrans. We are now we on a baptized autopilot type you be and we know the shame we take up proudly. So when you want talk, you want call somebody, call my name, call Simon Eba, call anybody, no problem. You just say you go reach onions. You just say you go reach 70 years. You don't go even reach 70 years. You don't go reach 70 years and you don't go even see any joy of 70 years. Mumu Oto. So Biafrans, CHINASA and his men, his gang are responsible for all this evil going on in Biafra. This one no be saying na RNG, no be RNG. You see all the news channels where they there. So I want to know how person go say you carry person now go interview am. No, no be that kind arrange. This one na pure one. They catch criminal. Everybody come there interview am. Una see am, una hear am. That is the life wey we dey. No, they don't want Biafra to come. That is their own. They don't want to bring Biafra, and they don't want another person to bring Biafra. But that is their end. Their end has come. Mazi, you are welcome to the program.
Yeah, they were my brother. Well done. I just came back now and saw your program. I said, let me just pop in and just greet the lovers of freedom and people of Biafra all over the world, wherever they are. I'm sorry for coming into the show lately, but thank you for having me.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Yeah.
So Biafrans, we are going to listen to that video again. I want us to listen again before we go on. We go listen again. There's another video we have to listen to, but make we listen to this one again. So these are the people that when they go thief finish, when they go thief, they go say
So
they
where are
be
the camp?
ESN.
Tell us, where do you guys camp?
Our camp is there for back of that police station for Afata, but how long now? Since 6 or 7 months, we don't have any camp now.
Why? Why not get camp?
Because of Iran, police they find me.
Okay, that easy. That the way they kill that time. Your group, your men follow now. How will I kill them?
Yes, now my man will go Holland. The person will shoot the heads and a free man. Free man with the sky and the number 1.
So who they sponsor you? Owner?
Now CHINASA NWAORU.
Now they hear them. Biafra so now hear them.
Wait. CHINASA NWAORU is
You know here, clean your ear. I go rewind them. Clean your ear before I rewind them, so you go know what that. Clean them. Clean them. Listen again.
Number 1.
So who they sponsor you? Owner?
Now CHINASA NWAORU. CHINASA NWAORU.
From where? Where is it from?
Indab number 1.
So who they sponsor you? Owner?
Now CHINASA NWAORU. Number 1.
So who they sponsor you? Owner?
Na CHINASA NWAORU, number 1.
So who they sponsor you? Owner?
Na CHINASA NWAORU.
CHINASA
CHINASA
from
NWAORU.
where? Where is it from?
In that blood.
Where are you from?
Where are you
Which
from?
community
Where are you
from?
Me.
No,
Yes, the CHINASA.
CHINASA NWAORU. Now I just know as a DOS commander.
US commander for what?
From ESM.
So how long has this been sponsoring you guys?
Getting to 2 years now.
Him and who?
Him with OK foreign.
To carry out activities in Imo State.
Sir,
To carry out.
getting to 2 years now.
Him and who?
Him with OK foreign. Getting to 2 years now.
Him and who?
Him with OK foreign.
To carry out activities in Imo State.
Sir,
To carry out activities in Imo State.
yes,
He
sir.
sponsors you people to carry out.
Yes, sir.
So
yes,
which
sir.
other people where they follow CHINASA they sponsor?
Only OK foreign with the CHINASA where they sponsor us for blood. The other man for village here now, Vitalist, Awonation.
From where?
So what? Which reason
From
is it giving
Obudu.
you? Which reason is it giving you guys to go and attack all these places?
CHINASA NWAORU, the reason when they tell us, he say this is Babago people.
Hey, Arumen. All right. So CHINASA NWAORU here, this is what this guy is doing from abroad, and is giving these people his nickname on operation as a sky. Why is answering CHINASA NWAORU in a real life, and again answering Mohammed Abbas in Kuwait? How can he be answering three names? Mohammed is known as a Mohammed Abbas in Kuwait, and known as CHINASA NWAORU in the zoo, then known as Sky in the criminal operation. Hey, CHINASA NWAORU ọbụkwa agamefu o jerugboro ejeru ọ nke ka a na-akpọ kedu ihe m ga-akpọ ya nke o mere jụọ oyi ya emekwa ọzọ. How is it that this guy, so even he like the spokesperson of Biafra, Mazi Samuel Ekpa, had been saying CHINASA NWAORU criminal bed boy, CHINASA NWAORU criminal bed boy. So it is true. Hey, our spokesperson Mazi Samuel Ekpa, these people they nyopuo oji n'oge nyopuo ha nyopuo were na-asị na ndị a bụ criminal in DOS, criminal, real criminal. Some of them are the eye of the zoo. Some of them are the eye of Southeast, the eye of Southeast governors. They are the eye of Ohaneze Ndigbo. Nnamdi Kanu appointed them, but they are being the eye of the zoo government. No wonder. CHINASA only one exposition. Mazi Samuel Ekpa one day said that CHINASA NWAORU dị somebody. Ya jee weta ego somewhere. Omega arrange ndị zoo government. They are Fulani terrorists in the army uniform. Zigazie that ESN is it commander or member, Koga weta ego somewhere. Ego send it from abroad. All manner CHINASA NWAORU package China zoo army. Actually the guy there. Bad the boy, no jebe near call anybody. The boy you lose there, you know. Even self lock him in the boy, now the boy is German. Phone no text the boy, oja WhatsApp with the boy. The boy means drop all the phone, raise the second phone. German the raise can now communicate this here. So me and a friend there go the phone. But the guy who's really the aminos. Then I will share the boy. I thank God now the boy, but only the fool. See, the quack, Ebian, the boy, or I see I jab by Java Dago. So, our bank is to indicate secretly CHINASA NWAORU criminal bed boy. I give a Macau. Hey, they will. I hear
Okay. Ọ dị egwu. Caro, I greet you. I greet you. Ajebonwa, I greet you. Hey, Chinasa jaga jaga, DOS kata skata, Shike doze running running, Chinasa killing killing. They are killing our people, and our people are not hearing. If you they are now live, when you call and ask them program, they will threaten you.
Yes.
They will threaten you. These call, make you call. Chinas and Woru, I dey here, they wait you. Call.
I,
Don't go behind the bar behind me and begin to make silly comment. If you are a man, call into the even come into the studio and talk. Make we hear you. Go. They cannot be bold. They hide behind radios and talk rubbish.
Chineke.
They hide behind radios to do their evil.
Omotu Suelu Kepu Kepu. I heard Kepu Kepu somehow. Kepu Kepu somehow. That letter Michael Zuckerman wrote. People should stop using his name in the name of Mazen Nandekalo to raise fund. I heard Kepu Kepu that it's Chinasa rule that is doing that thing. I heard Kepu. I think
Chinasa is doing what?
he's using the name of Michael Zuckerman to raise fund.
Now, which one be Kepu Kepu?
Oh, that thing is true.
Chinasa even replied Mike Ezekome say, since you say we should not use your name or Nnamdi Kanu name, now you go dey bring the 1,000 every month, where we go dey give 1 million every month, where we go dey give am for feeding.
Really?
He there for in Twitter now. Go in Twitter, you go here. Hey, Olusobi, God bless you.
Really?
Thank you, Ole. Olusobi, God bless you for this your wonderful gift this evening. The hour is near. God is great, no be small. God go dey continue to expose them. Thank you so much. God bless you for this your super chat.
Allah,
Thank
God
you.
bless you for your support as well.
Thank
Not
you.
help
So
Biafra.
nothing where they hide, nothing to hide. Everything they open, and the God go dey continue they expose them. Ajibo Sunday, you come, you dey discuss this. So God go dey continue dey expose them. No going back. Criminal. Anybody like I have been asking question that wants CHINASA NWAORU to bring Biafra for you. I want you not to come here and say I am a madman. I want you to come now. Call into this program. Come into this program. Call or come in. Tell me one good reason. What it be name? Ifeanyi Ejiofor or CHINASA NWAORU should be trusted to bring Mazenadekal out or bring Biafra to you. Just one. Okay, one reason too big. Half reason. Half. Just half. Small half.
Really? Let me go to his tweet.
Make we listen to this man again. Make
Okay.
we just listen. Listen to him.
Let's go. Another one. So there's this very important message and information I actually want to pass across to all of our people back home and the ones also in diaspora. The issue going on concerning Simon Ekpa and the barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor. That's why I actually came online right now to talk to our people, and so that we can have a reasonable ground to understand what is actually going on. We know that since our able leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has been in the detention, has been in the prison, they keep tossing him back and forth. Even when Nigerian government has nothing to hold on to against him, when they had nothing to prove against him, even when they knew they kidnapped him from Kenya and put him in a prison. But In a couple of days now, it has been trending in social media concerning Simon Ekpa. Everybody, all the Igbo elite, both Ohaneze Ndibo and some major players in IPOB a forum and some major people that has nothing to do with the struggle, and the ones that has to also do something going on, and the ones that also has something to do with the struggle. A lot of people have been saying that Simon Ekpa should be arrested. My question is this: why do you support that agenda for Simon Ekpa to be arrested? Yes, Simon Ekpa said sit at home. The sit at home issue has been going on for a long time. Nobody has talked about arresting anyone. But now, we all knew that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in detention. And in between that, Peter Obi has proven himself to be one Nigeria that will liberate Nigeria from dungeon or darkness or whatever. I don't want to even use a sarcastic word. I'm trying to select my words right here. I'm making this video for the world to see the injustice going on. Simon Ekpa said, sit at home. Some supported it, some did not support it. Why is it more important now for Simon Ekpa to be arrested? Why is it now more important for Simon Ekpa, for some group of people led by Ifeanyi Ejiofor to write to Finnish embassy for Simon Ekpa to be arrested? Simon Ekpa is a Finnish citizen, Finland citizen. What make you think you want to arrest him? Let me ask you this question. What Simon Ekpa said, sit at home, you found it so offensive. But do remember this. Couple weeks ago, like 2 weeks ago, all right? Because I'm very sure this is not even up like a month ago. 2 weeks ago, go and do your research. Fulani herdsmen, Boko Haram, all of them, in the name of their cattle, whatever, went to Enugu Ezike, slaughter people, kill people. The soldiers they did not come. Police did not show up. DSS did not show up. But another group of Pali ESN went there, rescued the people they were killing, and dealt with the terrorists. What was the reaction from the federal government? Why will ESN go and defend those people? Then the soldiers went and started burning the houses of the victims that Fulani herdsmen went to attack. Why will this military, Nigerian army, federal government go back to the same village, to the community, and start destroying people's property? This is a clue to let you know that
the thing be say, he is talking about this Ihamufu, and till now that I am talking to you, the killing is still going on. You know, as I was doing this program before, somebody called me from that village, go. Nobody. You know wetin be nobody? You know reach 6 men wey dey the village. Everybody don run comot. Nobody. So this man wey you see wey dey talk is talking about a Hamufu. After they were saved last time, police, army go and begin to burn the houses of the villagers to make sure they frustrate them out of their land. Because when Funani they pursue you, your house they don't burn on fire. Where you want hide again? You go run. You go run inside bush or you run, leave your community. And let me tell you something. When they pursue you for your village, you run, enter neighboring village. You think say you dey safe, happy? They go finish for your own, enter there. Their plans is to put Biafrans in IDP camp, and it no go happen. Their original plans, CHINASA NWAORU Ifeanyi Ejiofor plans are to put Biafrans in IDP camp. I don't show us IDP camp many times, several times. We see how IDP camp look like. You see how ugly pig cannot. If you love your pig, you cannot put your pig in IDP camp. So I want to ask a question. How do you think? What do you think Benue State Autumn Governor Autumn see where they can go from that security, even though say he no get gun to fund them? What do you think say he see? If you want, you don't know wetin be Osumeni is one of a Bago. Don't worry, the thing will go break them. If you no know wetin be DO IPD IDP camp, tell me now. I go type am for Google. Google go show you wetin e be, wetin e look like. A place you do not, you will not, you cannot wish your enemy to live. At least if you hate your enemy so much that you no wan go for am, you no go wish am to live there because of his children wey go grow up. And yet the people are living there, burning children. There was one I showed us last week. You see rat. You see rat. Oh, Shineke. You see rat. Healthy men will be like me and you. They go hunting, catch one rat, one small rat. You, if you see, as all of them gather, they reach 20, gather, they celebrate, they say they go eat rat. The other one, they go catch snake. Come see, women don't they sing, they don't they prepare pot, they want cook one snake because they dey inside their DP camp. And when we are saying that we are not going to allow these Fulanis to come and take our land, somebody they do head paka paka. Somebody go tell you say now one Nigeria go whap your head.
Snake.
One Nigeria go whap your head.
Hey, how snake.
You there for video, only say I no save the video.
Chineke.
They waiting they happen for IDP. That one na the day where they find the snake. What about the day they go, they know they get anything?
Have you seen the kind snake? See the one roaster eat.
He said the kind snake. Anything, listen, anything now for them is food.
Chineke.
Anything now is food. They don't they can't even find the snake. So when they find anything at all moving, they will eat it. You know rat that you don't want to the rat that you don't want to enter your house, they caught one and they were celebrating that they have caught meat.
Chineke.
Men, no, I'm not telling you children. Men like me and you, we are rejoicing, happy that they caught one rat, not many of them, and one snake as well. Not to say they catch the rat, not to say they catch the rat with the snake one day. Rat and another different thing, another different day occasion. Snake and another different occasion. They were celebrating. And this is what somebody is wishing our family, IPOB, wishing Biafras, because you don't carry your children, go keep them for America, keep them for Europe, keep them for Canada, keep them anywhere you want to keep them. So the other people's children should perish. It's not your business. How do you want the children in those IDP camps to grow up? What do you expect of them? If somebody will grow up in that camp, the girls, the boys, what are you expecting from them? Life? When you don't have school, you don't have hospital, you don't have light, you have nothing. You can't even see food. If inside swamp.
And this is what this situation they want to turn it like in Biafra land, so that they will say, oh, there is
When
a
Fulanese come take over your land, as they targeted the Hamufo now, their plan is to take over the whole land of a Hamufo. When they take over a Hamufo, the next thing where they go tell you, your governors, they know they talk now. When they don't take over now, you go see governor come out. We are donating 1,000 bags of rice, and we are bringing IDP camp. Then you go see UN. UN is not seeing what is happening. They are not seeing the killing in Nigeria. You go now see UN come, they go run, come build IDP camp for you.
eh?
That is what happened in Benue State. UN do not see them. Red Cross do not see them. NGO do not see them. But immediately when it reach, say no more solution. They don't get land, they don't get house again. UN come build them. UN come support them, build them IDP camps for them. Many organizations from US, UK, they come they help
Okay, now
them.
then they build that thing. Now then they build that thing.
UN is supporting, no be say they build all of them, they are supporting them to
Then fast.
build some. They are supporting.
So
But,
when they
but now that they are killing people, that
don't see
UN
it,
can intervene, UN is not, the UN will only intervene when they kill everybody, and the remaining few will be allowed to stay in IDP camp. The UN will come.
hey,
Then your governors, your so-called Eastern governors, you go see them come meeting immediately. They will meet to know how to donate money to buy them small food. They go tell you say they don't buy 1,000 bags of rice, and at the end, you no go reach 20 bags of rice. People are suffering in IDP camp. I know they tell you say na make it. They tell you because na truth where they happen.
but
I
what
want
happened?
and I be want do another program, but this IDP camp e good make people understand wetin be this IDP camp. Because when we dey talk IDP camp, we no dey understand am. We dey see am as say na joke. We dey see am as say na beautiful camp. It's a place you cannot wish your enemies to go. Don't ever wish your enemies to go to IDP camp. It's an evil place.
This is a fraudulent arrangement too.
It's an evil place. Let me search for IDP camp in Benue State.
Chineke. What is paining me is that after this Amufu killing in Enugu, governor of Anambra has not even talked. Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi has not even said anything. Ohaneze ndị ara na ndị oshi na ndị eme. They never say, okay, look at Peter Obi who likes to tweet what is happening in the north. How Deborah was killed injustice, who tweeted and showed sympathy. What happened in Amufu? Peter Obi, idiot, did not even tweet, did not even say pen, did not even say anything regards to that Fulani killing. Did not. Chineke na-ekwere ihe ọjọọ. Olee ụdị agbụrụ Igbo enwere ihe nke this time? Ihe ọwụzụkwa Igbo eji eme ọnụ. Na a stranger came to your land and killed more than 100 people. And he didn't cough, he didn't say anything. Hi, Aro. Mazio, that photo where this guy is kneeling down to Janjaweed. Have you seen it?
Ojuzogalo.
No. Emeka Ihedioha.
Make it do. I don't know. I know
Hey,
them.
I go send that to you now. The one is kneeling down to Janjaweed. I think that was the one Oyendu said he went to lead down to Abakari so that he could restore back against Hope Vadema. I have it here. Can I share a photo here? No, or do I
Share.
okay. I don't know if
Share.
I'm
I just found one IDP camp, but there is a particular one I'm looking for. I can't find it now. But meanwhile, make people they see waiting be IDP, because when we they talk of this IDP camp, people know they understand them. People they think say na play matter with they. It's not play matter. When you look here now, you will see waiting be IDP camp, and this is originally what they plan for us.
Is far from over and also far from the headlines. 11 years into the conflict, 1.8 million people have been displaced. 60% of these persons live in informal settlements with a lot of challenges, especially those who were able to get rented accommodations. They've been having challenge of inability to pay this rent. Now, landlords are evicting people.
You see,
This is ID
do you see the IDP camp? People are living inside this is where they see you. Inside this now, na here be their bungalow or duplex or anything. You see these children, now here be their life. They are happy inside this place. This one as at 2020. This one now, na beautiful place. When rain fall, then I want you to imagine, just draw picture for your head. If rain fall, wetin go happen here? They sleep inside here, cook inside here, eat inside here.
Are you serious?
No,
I
if
say you believe
are you serious? Na me build am. You know, say people where they live there. You go see another type. See, wait, let me look for. There's another one you must see. It's another one. There are plenty types, many places you will see this IDP camp. People are suffering because
hey,
of Fulani's deed. Fulani,
one tribe, Canary, one tribe. One small tribe, Canary. Esendala ngị link ebe emeka ihe dị ọha gburu ikpe n'ala na-ayọ ndị
yeah,
Fulani.
yeah, I'm coming. I'm coming.
Hey,
Access to essential services like food and livelihood, school enrollment for children because of birth certificate, and then access to humanitarian aid.
All stakeholders need to come together so that we can be able to address this issue of congestion, to include religious and traditional leaders, landowners, private landowners. We need to come and map out available land so that these people can have space. It's really an urgent concern and needs.
Chineke mee ọkwa eziokwu.
Now you understand that we are not playing, we are not joking. Emeka Ihedioha kneeling down. Now Newton, they kneel now. Emeka Ihedioha na nobody to Orji Uzor Kalu compared to Orji Uzor Kalu. They kneel down steady now.
Onye pụta ọsị ka ya gbara Fulani odibo, onye pụta ọsị ka ya gbara Fulani odibo.
Come on, Graga Church is a Kambara Fulani odibo. That is what they do. You said I no go win, make I become your servant. That is what they want.
Ọ mgbe a na-agba Zik si ya na ebe ọ na-eje n'ụzọ adị ọ na-efe isi kpakakpaka ka anyị gaba nwa Naịjirịa. Ele ọnọdụ anyị n'ụbọchị tata.
That is it.
Ndị na-agụla akwụkwọ itibọrịbọ, ndị a nomadic na-enweghị certificate. Look at, can you imagine?
You see him? He's even kneeling with one leg up, begging. He is begging. You can see him begging. He is begging.
Look at him, don't police. Look at, I mean, on a police,
You see, he is begging them.
People
People that don't bath from year to year. He is begging them. May God have mercy.
God have mercy.
Biafra. You see, Biafra must come. Biafra must come.
Onye chere ọma ihe ama na onye ahụ na-esusu bedi onye ahụ susugburu onwe ya. Lee ha na-eme ka ihe dị ọha. Onye nọ US na-eme digrii, o mesie digrii lọta ogburu Fulani ikpere n'ala na-ayọ ha pawa. Anụrụ na nna ya nwe odo gara na-ayọ Abakari biko si mee gọvanọ of Anambra kwa Enugu. So the thing goes to now manipulate, and always there by people's choice. You know, as far as Abraham had a friend of Janjaweed, I got manipulated again. Gane agbam say that na ihe onye ndu na-ekwu na spring called governor na Ghana North, you know, eweghasị ya nwoke ibi eweghasị ya ahụ kwere ka iwe eziokwu because something behind all these things ha na-ezuzugharị you guys, you can never tell. A lot of things is behind all these things ha na-ezuzugharị. Ha ka nwoke ibe n'anya ọcha ọ ga-akpọta Fulani terrorists in army uniform with jet a na-abọmbụ ndị be ha, ọ na-akpọtakwu a na-eheli ya, ọ na-abọmbụ mba na ihe a bụ anya ọma ka eji eme ihe niile a na-eme agbaghị because otu anyị nọ na maazị nwere ike imegwe ịwụ gọvanọ ndị Janjaweed si gị gị bọmbụ ndị be gị, gị bụ ọfọ ogbunigwe, ị nwere ike ya kpọta
only make I talk bad word I go talk make it remain to bomb. Abeg make una see another part of IDP camp. Make una see another part of IDP camp because when we dey talk am, this one there for Borno. Make una see if Borno State get this kind one, you go then imagine the kind one where they could give you.
Camp, originally a secondary school for children in Mafoni area of Maiduguri metropolitan city, now displaced by these dislodged families. Some 859 households displaced from Abadam and Moba local government areas of the state. Amana Abubakar, mother of 4, fled Moba when she was still pregnant with her son Abba. Abba is now 6 years old, and this is the only home he knows. But the government wants to close down IDP camps located within Maiduguri. This Mogolese camp is one of the first picked up to be relocated.
Inshallah, some IDPs will be closed before May 31st, especially Bokolis, IDP, Mogolis, those IDPs that are residing.
Governor.
So when you hear IDP camp, you know wetin we dey talk. So these people have no good intention for any Biafra
at all.
Anybody standing against the restoration of Biafra, like NWAORU them, all of them.
Yesterday, I saw this video when someone displayed it. Where NWAORU anybody who get water agitation na Biafra land, that he will be a saboteur.
Of course, now in talk am now. Make we first listen to this man to the end.
Fulani herdsmen are government. Fulani herdsmen works for Nigerian government. Why? You see, I don't understand the kind of society we are trying to build. We are fighting that Biafra should stand as a nation. ESN went to defend Biafran land against invaders. A Nigerian army went and begins to burn the same people they were supposed to be protecting against Boko Haram. Do you now understand what I'm saying? In this gameplay, where is Barrister Ejiofor in all this thing? Barrister Ejiofor, let me ask you I pray that YouTube make this video viral, and the people out there listening to me, please, I beg you, make this video viral. Send this message to Barrister Ejiofor. Barrister Ejiofor, have you sued Boko Haram to court? Have you sued Fulani herdsmen to court?
Biafra son at the hearam. Simon Ekpa only ordered the sit at home. He no order for you to kill anybody. He no do you anything bad.
Nwanne m ihe ikwu na ewepụtara m ihe onye akwu senat na Metiala is a legal legitimate stakeholder in the presidency. I just sent the link. I just sent you the link.
So Simon Ekpa only say sit at home. The whole Biafrans in the call, CHINASA NWAORU called the whole world. More powerful, called the whole world. Jonathan, he called the whole, all of them. Ejiofor go court. What is his name? Shade call. And the thank God say he said they disgrace him. Shade. After he called the Berekete, everybody they call, kill Simon, because he orders it at home. Now, Fulani they kill our people. Nobody is even opening mouth to condemn it. Not to talk of calling US to come and kill Boko Haram for you. Not to
If
talk
you
of come and kill what do you call them? Fulani terrorists for you. No. Is this not telling you that these people don't want Biafra to come, but they want Fulani to kill you? Your governors are not complaining. Where are those people that are saying our business, our business? Where are you businessmen in Biafra land? All you traders, where on a day? If your mama be there in Hamufu, they don't cut a head. Your family they there, they don't. You go they talk of business.
Umueri.
Why going against Simon Ekpa? Why going against Simon Ekpa? Do you have a special benefit
Of course,
with Nigerian government?
Of course.
Or is there something that we don't know that is being negotiated with you and them? Because you're acting strange. A lot of people are talking about it, saying all manner of ill things. Yes, I do understand. Our brother, Peter Obi, will do awesomely great. No doubt about it. I love him. I love Peter Obi. But will Peter Obi rule Nigeria?
That
is the question.
Ask them.
Will Peter Obi win the election? 100% no doubt. Yes, he's going to win. That is me. Confidently, I can beat my chest and say yes. But will Peter Obi rule the election? Physically, he can win. Internally, when the vote is counted by INEC, that is where they will toss the whole thing. Are you going to walk into the room with them? Will Peter Obi go into INEC to sit down? Even the people that Peter Obi will send there will be giving, they don't even give them Ghana, they should knock them dollar and open domicile account for them. Buy them houses in Beverly Hills here in the United States. Buy them good house houses in the United Kingdom. They want to live in Manchester. They want to live in Liverpool. They want to live here in the United States. Buy a private ranch. Live very good life. What makes you think that the agenda of Islamization want to succumb to the betterness of Nigeria? Do you understand that the disarray Nigerian gets, that is the benefit of these people? As soon as Nigerian gets still getting disarrayed, that is where they benefited from. There is one Igbo adage, they say the poverties of the poor people in the land is the rich and the wealthy of the rich. Do you understand this game? Do you now understand that there are two major players now in the north? They have found a very large tons of oil and gas in the northern region. Has every Nigerian been educated about this oil? No, they are still worrying about the oil in Niger Delta. That's where they're still focusing on. Meanwhile, the oil in the north can serve for over 1 million years. So much oil. But something happened, I will tell you. The 19 northern states, I will make it easy so that you will understand. People, I don't understand how they thought about people and how thought Nigerian thinks. And African things too. There is a northern, in all the states in Nigeria, 19 northern states formed alliance and created a company, an organization. All right. So now they came up with a memo that their company will be the one in charge of that oil found in the north. So what it means in a layman language is that when the oil is sold, which the oil has already been selling now in the international market, the tax will be paid into Nigeria, while the profit of the oil will go into the 19 states only. As House of Assembly talked about this, because, well, let me tell you, there is a small chunk of percentage that will be shared among all those old people and all those young men and women that sits around that House of Assembly. Do you get the game? But it had nothing to do or to affect the life of the poor on the street of the north either. Neither does it have anything to affect those young ones and the poor ones in the southern region of the same country called Nigeria. That is the game. They are not ready to build no refinery. Refinery has already been built in Niger. Go to Njamazi in Niger, you will see the big refinery. They are not going to hire Nigerians. They are going to hire Nigerians and hire Malians to build, to work in their refinery. That is how wicked this people. These guys are from Sahel. How can a tons of tiny chunk of people come from Sahel and dominate you and give you condition? Ohaneze, I want to ask you, are you not big enough to stand for Igbo people? Ohaneze, are you guys not big enough to go around the whole eastern region and unify your people and come out in one concrete evidence, one concrete plan, come out with one concrete stuff that makes sense, and let those people understand that no, enough is enough. Stop killing my people, stop fighting my people, or we will go. Or you are waiting for Peter Obi to come and rule. Let me tell you one thing. Let Ajun Peter Obi rule Nigeria 4 years. Will Peter Obi rule the next 8 years? Let Ajun he rule the next 8 years. Think about it. Dubai as a nation was built from 1985. Go and check it out. And before 1995, all right, Dubai has already become a kingdom. That means all the whole province around and every totality agreed in one concept. Can Peter Obi build Nigeria to be Dubai in 8 years? Without a proper agreement, how will Peter Obi negotiate with all those northern elites? How will Peter Obi negotiate with the southern elite? Even the eastern elite, you see what they are doing. Even Anambra State governor tackling Peter Obi for no reason. Do you now understand the enemy within? Sending messages to the enemy outside and calling the rats inside, negotiating with the ones outside, telling them how to tackle you. That is what they go through. Like I said, I won't make this video so long. I'm gonna just leave it right there for you people to like make your decision and also comment on the comment section, and let's go forward from there. Okay, you will see again another video from me. Thank you and God bless. Make sure you share this video.
We will share. No,
You know, you get some video where we say when you see them, you don't need to interrupt them. You go leave and make it play, make everybody hear the message. Because this video no need to explain anything again.
No,
He explained himself.
totally.
The video explained himself. Talking about oil. Talking about oil. I want us to see the oil. Now, let us see this clip.
It's over a week since the Department of State Services issued an ultimatum to all parties involved in the oil industry to resolve the lingering fuel scarcity across the country. But the effect is yet to be felt as the price of commodity in Yenagoa Bayelsa State and East Environ is still very much on the high side.
Do you see the queue to buying petrol to put for your car? For the place where oil they come from. You see am? Do you see it?
Master, do you know this country where I am now? Since I came to this country, there never be one day in fuel scarcity. But these are the people who buy gas and oil and fuel from the zoo. They buy, but there never be like a shortage of oil, diesel, or petrol in this country. But why is it that the place where the oil is coming from, petrol is coming from, there is scarcity? Eh?
That is the question. And then some fools still the thing say they go come do their refinery or they go build them or they go come renovate them. Are they not fools? Anybody thinking that there will be a refinery in Nigeria again, the person is dead already. Your brain know the work. How will there be refinery in Nigeria? Nigeria, the Funani, what do you call his name? Don't build the refinery for Nigeria. As you know there enough, Dangote don't come build am for Lagos. Which one you dey refine? The oil wey dey for north Jigawa I believe, they are selling it. Gold wey dey for Jigawa, they are selling it. But the oil wey dey for the place, the home of people wey say they be south, una dey give una peanut from inside. The ones wey dey for their house, una dey see am, una get oil well for there. But all these people wey you see now, wey Obi go need what is his name? Making sure they go kneel down for. They get all you well. Those people where you see where no they brush their mouth, they know the shoe stick. They get all you well. They don't even know the color of oil. They don't know what it be the meaning. If you ask her what it be the meaning of oil well, you don't know. But they get all you well. They get all you well.
Wow.
Now, when you hear them speak, you go understand. Make we touch the main people. Now, I want make you listen to him.
This
Listen
video
to
that don't me.
The oil in Delta belongs to Chicago. As long, yes, because we are called Nigeria today. So that's what I'm telling you. The oil belongs to us all. And we, as Nigerians, shall do everything possible to make sure we take that oil so that a lot of people will have the oil as well. Will have the money of the oil.
the oil in Delta. Na me they tell you. And they will do everything to make sure they have the oil. If you block road, they go kill you. Now, waiting this man they talk openly, you know, talk am for secret, telling you that they owe the land. The oil in Delta belong to them.
Anybody who thinks the oil of Bayelsa belongs to only Bayelsa is just deceiving himself.
If you think the oil in Bayelsa belong to Bayelsa, you are a fool. Now, waiting this man they tell you now. But listen to waiting he go. Just the listen.
As we are Nigeria, we make sure that we have uninterrupted supply of oil so that there will be uninterrupted supply of money to Jigawa State. As long as
Una dey hear am. From Delta, Bayelsa o, South o, South o, Pom o. Wetin be name? That one wey im belle be like say e wan die, e wan burst with Tompolo. Oil wey dey una house, na im dis man dey tell una wetin dey happen. That they will make sure they have continuous supply of oil in the north. They are not telling you that they will make sure they have oil. They make sure they have continuous. They are using your oil to make money. Their own, they are still using it to make money. Well, and somebody is still telling you, I have Nigeria, our Nigeria, my Nigeria. I am taking Obi that you are calling to come and save you, has vowed to save the constitution with his life.
Mm-hmm. And he will
Who
do
says
everything.
according to come and redeem you, has vowed to keep and defend and honor the constitution with all his life. And the constitution is that this man now is saying the truth. What he's saying is the constitution, that the oil must to belong to them and not you.
As we are called as you. Of course, we are not the same people. We have to understand that, look, I am a Fulani man, and Ijo is different, Yoruba is different, but then God has made us to stay together. Why can't we attempt to stay together? And I honestly do not mind, even if we're going pathways. Let's sit on the table, around the table, and agree that, look, that oil of Bielsa, Jigawa cannot have a share. No way. You know,
You hear him? He say, I am a he's saying be Fulani man. You be Yoruba, you be Igbo. Now God will bring them together.
And then Kutozobu Hausa again. You don't
Dem
speak
don
about
comot Hausa for road. You know, normally what we have, originally what we have, Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba.
yes.
Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba. But Funani don't cover Hausa. There is no more Hausa. It's now Funani.
Hey.
So he is telling you that the oil, now God will put them there and they must always have their share. You cannot do anything about it.
I don't mind us talking like that. But as of today, that oil, we shall do everything within our means, everything with our blood, defend our oil in Bayelsa.
He
Their
said
blood.
that oil, we shall do everything. We will defend that oil with our blood. The oil in Bayelsa, he is telling you, he's not telling you the oil, even the oil in Abuja, oil in Bayelsa, oil in Delta, oil in Yanagua, oil in Cross River, oil in Benue, oil in anywhere. They will defend it with their blood for you to understand what we are talking about. These are the people you want to live with. The gold in Zamfara belong to Zamfara. They know they hide them. I want all these people who say they are not interested in Biafra, in South, they baptize you South, you agree. Ask yourself, that gold in Zamfara, who is it? What do you get from that gold? Federal government, you know, they get anything from that gold. Now the Funanis get the gold. The same oil, now then get them. And they are going to do everything, even if it means their last blood. They will drop their last blood to make sure that oil in Delta and the Bayelsa, they get their own share. They must get their loyal share.
We will do everything possible.
And you see people laughing. I believe the people laughing now should be the people watching him or the people that are interviewing him. I believe they are laughing because he said they will defend the oil with all their blood. They are laughing.
Possible to defend that oil in Bayelsa. It belongs to Jigawa State as well. You know, so that's what I want them to understand. This country fought civil war, and that's probably why we are still together. And anybody who threatened, unless if we are defeated, then we can leave the oil. But if anybody threatens the flow of oil, we shall fight and make sure oil flows.
Unless we are defeated, then we shall leave the oil. But if not, anybody come, we will make sure we get our oil. Unless we are defeated, they are taking your land. Unless you defeat them, and you cannot defeat them by going inside your house and doing fasting and prayer. We don't pray. God is with us. You can only defend them by fighting them and conquering them and taking over your land from them. You can only defeat them by pushing them out of your land.
Master Samuel has come online.
Yeah, they say Simon is online. Yeah, don't worry, we'll join Simon here. We'll join him, and I think it will be good if we join Simon from here.
All right.
But it's
So
already 1 hour ahead, so I think you should drop this one and come back again. That's
yes,
what I will do. So,
yes,
my people of Biafra, we are going to drop this clip here to be able to come on again. We
yeah.
are dropping this clip. All you need to do is just join us back again because we are still going on and on and on. So thank you for being with us. Just click as I drop, I
Biafra.
join again.